Namaste children. Welcome back to English grammar class. Today we are going to learn vocabulary part, homonyms, homographs and homophone. Now we can see what is the definition of homonyms. What is homonyms? I think in your smaller class you learn. Can you say? Yes, homonyms are the words with similar sound and spelling but with different meaning. Okay, children? Homonyms are the words with similar sound and spelling but with different meaning. For example, cricket. He is playing the cricket and cricket is active at night. Cricket, it is a creature. Cricket, that is noun. Okay, what is homographs? What is homographs? You know what is homographs? Homographs are the words, multiple meaning words, spelled the same but different meaning and pronunciation. It has different meaning and different pronunciation. Next, homophones. Usually we are using homophones. Homophones are the words with similar sound but with different spelling and meaning. For example, my son is standing in the sun. What is the spelling for the first sun? Yes, S-O-N. My son is standing in the sun. Second, S-U-N, sun. Like, these words are called homophones with similar sound but with different spelling and meaning. One by one we can learn. Homophone. Can you say the definition for homophone? Two or more words that sound the same but are spelled different and have different meaning. Here some examples are given. Addition of formats, addition of a book. I want here it is highlighted. I want to go. I like it too. Open plus 1 is 1 plus 1 is 2. Here first sentence, I want to go, that is 2. This preposition, it is different meaning. I like it too. Another 1 plus 1 is 2. All the three sentences 2, but it has different spelling and meaning. Likewise, capital building, state capital. Pick a flower, bake with flour. More examples are given here for homophones. Bear, trees are already bear, and bear, an animal. I am afraid of bears. Likewise, bee, be quiet. A bee is buzzing around. Next, beach. It's nice day for going to the beach. The great beaches towered up towards the sky. First beach, you know, it is the seashore. Second beach, it is a tree. Likewise, bean. Tom doesn't like green beans. Next, I have never been to Japan. First bean, it is a green vegetable. Next, bean, it is bee form. Likewise, board. After a while, I got bored and left. Next, board, it is blackboard. I will write it upon the board. Likewise, blue and blue. She likes blue dresses. She blew onto her coffee to cool down. Okay, children, these are homophones. More examples I have given here. You can go through that and learn well and understand the difference. I need a break. I stopped with the squeal of the brakes. Both brake only. First brake. I asked ma'am to get permission for brake. That here I need a brake. Another brake. The cycle brake or bike brake. He stopped with the squeal of the brakes. Likewise, buy and buy. I want to buy a new coat. The telephone is by the window. Likewise, sight. He was cited for bravery. Next site, a site has been chosen for a new school. Cellar and cellar. We don't use our coal cellar anymore. Next, cellar is a flat cellar. Cereal. Tom is eating cereal. He is serial killer. Cause and cause. The cause sand was hot. Another cause. And is doing a year journalism course. In your book also, book back also, lot of homophones are there. I have given more examples here. You go through that. Right. Keep on the right side of the road. Next, right. She had to write the report on the project. Next, father and father. We decided to not to go any further. I love my father. Let's meet. Maybe we will meet again sometime. Meat you, no, flesh. I gave up eating meat a few months ago. Flour and flour. Sift the flour and salt into the bowl. Flour, what a beautiful flour it is. Likewise, 4 and 4. There is a letter for you. I choose number 4. Pear. The students worked in pears and another pear is a fruit. This pear smell nice. Okay, children, you should write in your notebook all these homophones. What is homophones? Homophones are the words with similar sound but with different spelling and meaning. Now we can go to homonyms. Homonyms is a word that has the same spelling and sound but number of different meaning. It has number of different meaning. Homonyms are the words with similar sound and spelling but with different meaning. Already I told you cricket. Cricket is a popular sport. Cricket is active at night. Likewise, more examples are given. Bark, base, bat, beam, board, bolt, can, chains, chip, cool, current, duck, fall, file. You have to make sentence using this. Can you say one sentence? Nail, I am asking. Cut your nails. Please attach that nail. Right. You are right. Go in the right direction. Likewise, you have to frame sentence. So, what is homonyms? Homonyms are words with similar sound and spelling but with a different meaning. Bank. I want to go to bank. The children were playing on the river bank. Okay, the same spelling. Likewise, this is multiple meaning words. The spruce trees, to spruce up, suit yourself, wore a suit, weigh on the scale, scale the wall. The price is fair, go to the fair. They have same spelling but similar sound, similar spelling but different meaning. Commonly used homonyms are given here. I am afraid of bats. Here picture is given. You can understand that first bat. It is a mammal, flying mammal. I am afraid of bats. It's his first time at bat in the major league. Right. I am sure I am right. Take right turn at the intersection. Likewise, fly. You know fly. It is an insect. A fly was buzzing against the window. Let us fly a kite. Likewise, palm. He held the bird gently in the palm of his hand. The coconut palm is a native of Malaysia as well as Kerala. The the band. The band is playing. She always ties her old Beatles song. Ring. What a beautiful ring. The ring we are wearing. And another, the children sat on the floor in a ring. Letter. There is a letter for you. B is the second letter of the alphabet. Likewise, park. We went for a walk in the park. The tennis court is sometimes used as car park. These are the commonly used homonyms. I have a ruler. I have a 12-inch ruler. King Priam was a firm but just ruler. Tie. He had to tie her hands together. I wear a shirt and tie at work. Likewise, can. Gabriela can speak French fluently. We drank a can of Coke each. Rose. She has a rose garden. Sales rose by 20% over the Christmas period. Likewise, sink. The ship sink to the bottom of the sea. I felt chained to the kitchen sink. Different, sink. No? Mujugarda, one sink. Where we are washing the utensils. Likewise, watch. I like watching TV every night. That watching. I glanced at my watch. Likewise, nail. The key was hanging on a nail by the door. I have broken my nail. Ship. What is it? You know the difference meaning for the ship. There are 2 restaurants on the boat ship. A new engine was shipped over from the US. And ship, vessels also likewise. Vessel meaning ship as well as we can say utensils also. Next, I think you understood what is homonyms. Homonyms are the words with similar sound and spelling but with different meaning. Now we are going to learn homographs. Homographs, also called multiple meaning words, are spelled the same but have different meaning. Spell the same but different meaning and pronunciation. We turn out the light at night. A feather is very light. Likewise, he used a sword to cut the board. I saw my friend after school. Likewise, sings and began to sink in the verse. Washed my hands in the sink. He went to the park. My mom has to park the car. What is homographs? Same spelling, different pronunciation, different meaning. Here, desert. Desert means Banton. Desert. Area of land. Palaivanam. Next, bass. Fish. Bass. Instrument. Close. Nearby. Close to shut. Likewise, bow. To bend down. Bow. Ribbon. Some more examples. It is a 12:15. You know what is 12:15? 12:15. Okay. I used a quarter to buy a piece of cake. Next, bat and bat. I am afraid of bats. It is his first time at bat in the major league. Bank. I worked for a bank. Bank. He jumped in and saw on the opposite bank. Likewise, bar. She was sitting at a bar. I ate 3 bars of chocolate. Dessert. This area of country is mostly desert. The village was deserted. Likewise, left. Look left and right before you cross the road. Left the plain. Left for the last night. Some other examples. From the picture you can understand ring. The bell is ringing. I wore a new ring. Play and play. Play here, drama, and another play, playing. I saw a play last night. Play the children. Play in the ground. Likewise, change. One change. The change of the butterfly, pupa to butterfly is a wonderful change. Here I need change for 100 rupees. Fall and fall. First of all, he fell down. Another autumn season, fall season. Okay, children, I think you understood what are the topics we learned today. Can you remember homonyms, homophone and homographs? What is the difference between these words? Homonyms are the words with similar sound and spelling but with different meaning. What is homophone? What is homophone? Can you say? Homophones are the words with similar sound but with different spelling and meaning. What is homographs? It is multiple meaning words spelled the same but different meaning and pronunciation. You want to go through and understand the changes. Pen is writing instrument. Pen, an area enclosed by a pens, that is homonyms. Example, homographs. Maths, a pairing, and next maths. Stick try to start a fire. Homophones, dough, this dear, dough, unbaked bread. I think you understood. You have to refer your dictionary and find out different. I have given some words. Apart from that, you have to find out each homonyms 25, homophones 25 and homographs 25 and enrich your vocabulary. If you enrich your vocabulary, you can handle this English language very nicely. Thank you, children.